Guys, this is Maya from TradeLabs, and today we're gonna do a really short and sweet recap of what happened in the gold forex trading market. Why? Because we had a crazy hell of a day with some really powerful setups, so I'm so excited to show you guys what happened. Without further ado, let's get right into it. Welcome back, guys. This is Maya from TradeLabs, and like I quickly mentioned, today we're going to do a really short and sweet recap on the XAUUSD Forex Trading market. Why? Because it's been a crazy hell of a day and with some really powerful setups, some really good signals. I'm so excited to show you guys what happened. Now, usually, as you know, gold is a metal that kind of holds its value. Because of that, it's deemed like a safe haven. Now, today was not only a safe haven, today was amazingly powerful. So I'm so freaking excited to show you guys exactly what happened. Let's get right into those charts. Okay guys, so you should be able to see the chart on my screen, and the first thing that of course you will notice is the fact that I'm not using your traditional candlestick chart. What I'm using is a very unique indicator called the momentum indicator. Now, this is the TradeLabs signature proprietary indicator, and it's very good at predicting the direction of the forex trading market. Now, obviously, as you guys know, if you want to find any success in the forex trading market, you gotta get the market direction right? Now, if you don't get the direction right, well, you are going to continue struggling at trading forex, and that's not exactly what you need, especially here on the XAUUSD. So coming back to it, you can see these sets of brick bars, how we call them. You can see the red bars and the green bars. These are basically the market movement. That's how you can tell how the market moves. And now you also can see the red and green shapes. Now, these areas or shapes are an indicator of the direction of the market, which is pretty much telling you exactly what you need in order to take decisions on the spot, right? This cannot get any better. Hope that all makes sense, and I just wanted to say that here at TradeLabs, we made sure that everything that goes on with this chart is constructed to be behind the scenes. So basically, the algorithms are running in the background in order to make the chart very visually appealing and make the signals very, very easy to identify. That's what we as forex traders actually want, right? Good signals. Now, of course, there is no cluttered indicators or a bunch of squiggly lines or additional chart panels. Everything is displayed really nice for you, organized directly on top of your existing chart. And yes, guys, of course, this works with everything. The 1 minute chart, the 5 minute chart, everything. But of course, we would suggest you to use the amazing brick bar chart, which you are seeing on the screen right now, because this is even cleaner. This is so freaking much better. It's already included for you guys as well, so why waste it? With all of these, so gone are the days where you struggle to understand the traditional charts with all the mess of the candlestick charts and all the confusing indicators. Everything is right there for you, really easy to follow and giving you exactly what you need. In fact, if you compare the traditional candlestick charts, I have them ready right here for you to show you guys the difference. This is just a general 1 minute candlestick chart, and you can see how you don't understand what's happening here or what decisions you should be making just by looking at this. Look at all those squiggly lines going nowhere and the indicators, which are really freaking confusing. And I hated it when I used to use this. So you can see the difference. It's like night and day difference. This is the exact same day in the gold forex trading market, the exact same day, and you can see the difference in how this looks. This is so freaking much better. So anyways, let's get right into today's setup, because I'm pretty excited to show you guys some amazing signals from today and how the momentum indicator has caught some giant moves for the forex gold market. Now, honestly, look me in the eye and tell me that you don't absolutely love what you see on the screen right now, because everything is pretty much an upward trend of green, which is always good news in the Forex trading market. Now, let's get right into it. Now, these little indicators right here are basically your indication of when the market trend has changed and the new movement is starting. Now, look at this little one right here. This is where the indicator has perceived the new movement of the market and has alerted me of the starting of the trend. This is exactly where I got onto the trend as well, because I was already watching this. You can also spot this change of colors, which basically it's indicating you exactly when the market trend has changed in order for you to understand what's going to happen next. So all of this happened just in the beginning of the day, in the morning at about 9:35, as you can see on my chart right here, and it only went up. Now, where I did get off this trend right here, you can see that the indicator has indicated the trend change right here. You can see the downward red arrow, and right about here is where I actually took off, and this was at an amazing price of 1856. Also, as you can see, the signals and the actual chart alerting you of the market change is making such a difference, because it's pretty much giving you exactly what you need in order to make further decisions down the line. And if you did the right decisions based on this amazing chart, you would have won about $50,000 onto one contract today, just on the gold forex trading market. Isn't that amazing? Because for me, this is mind-blowing. Some really good signals we had today, a really powerful move of the market, and such a strong upward trend. This is absolutely insane to look at, and it was, yeah, just a really great day on the gold forex trading market. Okay guys, so that was it for today's recap on the gold forex trading market. I really hope you found today's video quite informative and, as usual, just a little bit entertaining. Obviously, the XAUUSD market was absolutely insane today, with some really powerful moves and some really good trends, or trend, singular, I would say. But yeah, let me know what you thought about today's video in the comment section down below. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And if you're not already, please consider subscribing by clicking on the subscribe button down below. It would help us a lot, and that's it. I'll see you guys in the next one. If you would like to try our new trend trading indicator, then don't forget to click the link below and sign up for a free trial.